Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint opening slide in just 1 minute. So tag along and watch the video till end. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. So let's begin. First of all, open up a blank slide and go to format background. You're gonna click on picture text fill, click on insert tab, and you have to insert an image either from your file or any other like stock images. Next, we're gonna go to insert tab and insert an icon, which is gonna be a brand icon, which is Apple. I'll use the logo of Apple, and next we're gonna change this color. I'll use white color. Let's move it upwards because I would now duplicate the slide. Next, while holding Control, increase the apple size till the entire slide is covered. Next, insert a text box in which you're gonna write the slogan of the company or the logo. So I'm gonna write the slogan of Apple, which is Think Different. I'll just put it into the center in the middle of the slide. Here you go. Now select all of the slides and go to Transitions tab and then give more transition from here. So that's all for today in this video, and if you like this video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to our YouTube channel. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below.